Welcome to the iPad in the Classroom workshop. The purpose of this workshop is to show you some of the iPad features and how to integrate the iPad in the classroom. I'll give you the basic functions for the iPad. I'll offer this to make working with the iPad easier and more efficient. I'll show you how to make the iPad an affordable interactive whiteboard. My target audience are teachers. First, I'm gonna start to prepare and arrange the setting and prepare the participant for the session. Second, icebreaker that I'm gonna start with facilitated learning. I'll provide an effective introduction using a variety of visuals such as PowerPoint showing the benefits of using iPad in the classroom. Then I will use a variety of learning activities, role-playing videos, and practice or exercise. These activities will help the participant to acquire new skills. Then we're gonna take a break. After the break, we're gonna start to create positive learning environment by sharing idea and offer suggestion. Start the discussion about the function of iPad. I will use relevant examples, reinforce success, and make the learning interesting. Then I'm gonna start encourage the participant to share personal examples, ask a question for participation, and use a variety of methods for learning: flip chart, computer, smart board, electronic whiteboard, and the projectors. Then we're gonna start with Energizer. After Energizer, we're gonna start activities, encourage questions, create large group discussion, and check for understanding. Then ensure learning outcomes and assess individual learning and evaluating the learning experience. Then we're gonna evaluate the training, ask for feedback, recommendations for improvement, and additional comments. The Energizer, I'm going to use jump in jump out Energizer in my workshop. Participants will hold hands in a circle facing the center and the group jump in, out, left or right of the circle and signing with some instruction. It's funny group exercise, it's warm group up and have them in fits of laughter. Icebreaker will be jigsaw activities where, like a jigsaw puzzle, the pieces of information fit together to make one picture. In the end, are great to start a collaborative learning and communication. This activity asks participants to make group of 2, 3, 4, or 5 as instructed by the facilitator. Each member of the group gets a section of a topic to learn about. The group member needs to become an expert in this section they have to learn about. They may also choose to go and learn the section with other people that have to learn about the same section of the topic. This takes about 5 minutes. Now the initial group comes together. Each member of the group now teaches the other group members about the section he or she had to learn about. The idea is the idea is that all the group members will know now something about every part of the topic, and they had to learn one section themselves and learn about the other section of the other group members. Introduction. I will start my introduction talking about using iPad in the classroom. iPad are becoming the common sight in the classroom, in the hands of both teachers and the students, and the number of educational apps is growing every day. We will learn how to get the most from the iPad as a classroom teaching tool and enhance student achievement, save time, and be more productive. I will show them favorite apps for students of all levels, from categories like science, math, English, and other design, especially to help teachers. With the iPad, there are new ways to share and to communicate. So the result with the iPad is a very energized, engaging, and somewhat intense and focused environment. The iPad pedagogy wheel. When designing activities for learning, taxonomy such as Bloom provides a framework that reminds of us how, if we are to see learning taking place, the types of thinking that needs to happen. The pedagogy wheel is provide ideas to learners and the kinds of apps that can support the different kinds of thinking and learning across Bloom. Some useful functions of iPad. During the workshop, we will learn how to use iPad as an interactive whiteboard. Doceri is an amazing app. It engages students with a handwritten lesson. Start with an image or annotate over worksheet or PowerPoint presentation. Teachers can use their finger as mouse on the screen and drag, click and copy the text and image. And here is YouTube videos I'm gonna use during the workshop. Interactive whiteboard and document camera. Belkin Stage is a fantastic app from Belkin International Education with great potential for extending the way you present and prepare material in the classroom. Enhancing teaching and learning. We will learn how to use visualizer to take the pictures and to place it on interactive whiteboard. And here is a video I'm gonna use during the workshop.
Hi, I'm John Repke, Senior Product Manager for Belkin Education. I'd like to introduce you to Stage, an exciting teaching and demonstration tool for teachers and students. Stage combines the convenience of document camera.
The end of my workshop: encourage questioning, create large group discussion and check for understanding, ensure learning outcomes, evaluate the training by finishing the online survey, and below is the link for survey form. Thank you.